Today's topic is the sum of the two unequal length lists in a cyclic manner. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method 1 by using a list comprehension and the method 2 by using a cycle and a zip method. Let's start from the first method, that is by using a list comprehension. First we are going to initialize our list, which is list 1 and a list 2. After that, in the list comprehension, we are going to go through each and every element of our list 2, starting from the 0 up to the end of the list number 2. And after that, we are going to the add of a list 1 items with the list 2 respectively. Here we have used a module of I, which is going to get divided by length of our list 1. So we are doing this so that it's going to get into a cyclic manner. Let's say up till the first 5 elements, it's going to be the same, that is 100 is going to get with the 10, 200 will be plus with the 20, 300 will be plus with the 30, up to the 500 with the 50. Now whatever the 60, right? So the 60, that's gonna be this sixth element over here, right? So I tends to be 6. Now when the I tends to be 6, our length of our list will be the 5. So 6.5, the answer will I get is the 1. So for the first element of our list 1, it's going to get added with the sixth element of our list 2. And while incrementing the value, that is when I tends to be 7, our answer is going to be 2. So 200 plus 70, similarly 300 is going to be 18. So it makes it in a cyclic manner, right? So that's how we are going to use it. And after that, we are going to store those values in the list 3 and we are having an output.